Today, we are nitpicking, but it's cool because it's my own soldering technique. As artists, we are our worst critics, but as a fan of constructive criticism, I can look at something I'm doing wrong and ask myself, how can I get better? Apparently, my pull-out game could use some work. Wait, that came out wrong. Nope. Just, you'll see what I mean. I didn't even notice I was doing this until watching my video playback, but I noticed there was something off with how I was removing the soldering iron from the line that was causing a ripple or reverberation in the solder. Once this cooled, it created a divot in the line because the ripple stopped as soon as the solder cooled, preventing it from traveling further. Kinda cool to see, but also kind of annoying because that's not my intention. So how do we prevent it from happening? I don't know. The most frustrating part is seeing that it's not constant. I've marked in the video every time there was at least a decent ripple from removing the soldering iron, but I'm not seeing a consistent pattern that I can stop doing, which means we test. Not in this video, but in future soldering efforts, there are a few different adjustments I can make, keeping an eye on those ripples now that I know what I'm looking for. I can try slowing down my motion while remaining smooth before removing the iron because I think that can help. I'm no scientist, but I think if you water the crops, they will grow. Idiocracy, what's up? This should allow more time for the line to cool before removing the iron. A shorter length of hot soldering line should equal less allowable space for a ripple to travel, theoretically. I can also try holding the iron at different angles, or lifting one corner up first to see if that stops the ripple. Or maybe there's just too much solder on the iron when I go to remove it, but I don't know how I could even prevent that, so we're gonna skip that option for now. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the follow button if you haven't already. I mean, if you've made it this far, clearly you're picking up what I'm putting down. So let's just be besties and learn together on this crazy journey we call stained glass. We still have a long way to go before this lantern is shining brightly with all 4 seasons. I'm also thinking we may need to add borders, but we'll see.